How to check if a Windows PC has a TPM chip. If you're managing Windows 10 systems, one critical security component to check for is the Trusted Platform Module, or TPM. This dedicated chip secures encryption keys, verifies system integrity, and enables features like BitLocker, Windows Hello, and Secure Boot. Without it, you're missing a core layer of protection and may face compatibility issues with Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 5 ways to check if your Windows PC has a TPM chip. TPM Management Console. The most straightforward way to check is through the TPM Management Console. Press Windows key plus R, type tpm.msc, and hit enter. If your system has a TPM, you'll see its status, manufacturer details, and version. If not, you'll get a message saying no compatible TPM can be found. Method 2. PowerShell. If you're managing multiple endpoints, PowerShell is ideal because it's scriptable and can return detailed TPM properties across systems. The gist is, open an elevated PowerShell session, run a simple command, and it'll tell you if TPM is present along with details about its version. Our blog post has the entire command system and example scripts for this method. Device Manager. Device Manager is another quick option. Right-click the Start button, select Device Manager, and expand Security Devices. If you see Trusted Platform Module listed, your system has TPM. If you don't, it's either missing or disabled in firmware. Windows Security App. For a more user-friendly approach, especially when supporting non-technical users, the Windows Security app works well. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Device Security. Under Security Processor, select Security Processor Details. If TPM is installed, you'll see its version and manufacturer. If it's not, that section won't be there. Command Prompt. Finally, for legacy or older systems, you can use Command Prompt to query TPM details. It involves running a WMI command in an elevated session, which then outputs configuration values if TPM exists. Since the syntax can get lengthy, you can find the exact command and usage notes in the blog post linked below. At the end of the day, TPM is more than just a hardware chip. It's a cornerstone of modern endpoint security. Verifying its presence helps you plan OS upgrades, enable encryption policies, and stay compliant with security standards. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to check if a Windows PC has a TPM chip, linked in the description below.